दिस इज़ नॉट इन जेई, ओके, जेई कॉन्सेप्ट में नहीं है, आपके बुक में है, पढ़ा रहा हूँ, ओके। कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स, द मैट्रिक्स obtained from any given matrix, okay, the matrix obtained from any given matrix A containing complex numbers as its elements, on replacing its elements by corresponding conjugates complex numbers is called as conjugate of a matrix. Suppose a matrix is, what is the meaning of this means, a matrix is there, that matrix is expressed in complex numbers. So this is any complex number you write, it is not necessary I have to write this one, you can write any complex number. Complex numbers are in the form of what? A plus b iota, so you can write anything. Even 2 is a complex number, 2 plus 0 iota, okay, complex numbers are everything, okay. So here a is equal to 1 plus 2 iota, just randomly we picked up, don't think this is only should write 2 minus 3 iota, 3 plus 4 iota, 8 minus, you have wrote like this. Then you are writing for this a conjugate matrix. Conjugate of complex numbers you learned, right? कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को कॉन्जुगेट पढ़ा ना, z z बार, z z बार, तो 1 plus 2 iota conjugate is what? 1 minus 2 iota. So 2 minus 3 iota is what? 2 plus 3 iota. 3 plus 4 iota is what? 3 minus 4 iota. Like this, these are 8 conjugate is what? 8 only. 8 plus 0 iota is, suppose 2 plus 0 iota, conjugate will be what? 2 minus 0 iota means 2 itself, right? Conjugate means in iota place your sign will change, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, understood? तो ये है ना, ये ऐसा जब लिखते हो, this is a matrix of complex numbers and you are writing the conjugate of a complex number, that's why it is called as conjugate of matrix. Such matrix are called conjugate of the matrix, understood? समझ में? Please note. No? What is this? Transpose. This is the conjugate matrix. For this matrix, if I write conjugate, transpose. If I write transpose, then we write as a power theta. A power theta. This is called as transpose of conjugate matrix. So कभी आपने क्वेश्चन में देखा a power theta, it means this is a transpose of conjugate matrix. So that will be what here for this one? 1 minus 2 iota, 2 plus 3 iota, 3 minus 4 iota, 4 plus 4 what happened? I wrote anything wrong? 5 minus 6 iota, 7 minus 8 iota, 8, 7 minus 8 iota, 7. So when you write like this, this is what we called as, what we call this is transpose of a conjugate matrix and denote that a power theta, a power theta. Next is Hermantine matrix. Yeah? Okay, here. What? Where? Here. 6 plus 7 iota, 8, 7 minus 8 iota 7. This is transpose of this, just writing. So this is called a power theta. Okay, this is not there in IIT JEE, but it is, if you have, you can use this. Okay, Hermantine matrix means what? If a power theta equal to a. What is Hermantine matrix means? Hermantine matrix is nothing but a matrix. A transpose equal to a, how you have in real numbers. Same in complex also. A transpose of a conjugate is equal to a. A transpose of a conjugate is equal to a. Such matrix called Hermantine matrix. Hermantine matrix. और अभी actually in pronunciation Hermantine बोलते हैं. Okay, so इसमें क्या है? ये matrix देखो. This matrix you make it A transpose and make it both will be same looks. Conjugate of this matrix and transpose will be become same. So that is called as Hermantine matrix. That's it. This is very important point I am going to tell you. See, in Skew Hermantine matrix, the principal diagonal elements are the principal. ये bits में पूछ सकते हैं, bits में. बिट्स पिलानी है इसमें पूछ सकते हैं। बिट्स में क्या है ना, द principal diagonal elements of skew Hermanton matrix will be, you may get 0, you should have 0, ये 0 ही होना चाहिए, are imaginary, purely imaginary, purely imaginary, purely imaginary, no real, no real. So principal मैं बोल रहा हूँ, लिख लो, ये लिखो, पॉइंट लिख लो। In skew Hermanton matrix, principal diagonal elements are, in skew Hermanton matrix, in skew Hermanton matrix, principal diagonal elements are 0 or purely imaginary. It should be 0 or purely imaginary. अब इधर देखो सर, अरे इसको कैसा याद रखना है बताता हूँ, सुनो इधर। In Hermanton matrix, see this. In Hermanton matrix, this principal diagonal elements are, you can keep any numbers. Okay, but real you keep it. Keep real. Okay, you have to keep here real. Are you getting what I said? Here should be real. Skew in that will be purely imaginary. Here purely real. Purely real, purely imaginary. Acha. Or क्या ना, if you keep, see one more thing. See, this is 3 minus 4 iota, and then you have here what? 3 plus 4 iota. And see here, 5 plus 2 iota. Then what you have here? 5 minus 2 iota. Here minus 2 plus iota. Then what you have here? Minus 2 minus iota. So Hermanton matrix, what will be having? Conjugate will be there here. ये ना, ये means here what I can say, A21, A12, sorry, A12, A21 are conjugate. A13 and A31 are conjugate. ये है ना नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स होते हैं ना, वो कॉन्जुगेट होना चाहिए. नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स मस्ट बी कॉन्जुगेट. आर यू गेटिंग इट व्हाट आई सेड? ये कॉन्जुगेट होना चाहिए, ये कंपलसरी कॉन्जुगेट होना चाहिए. कॉन्जुगेट किधर? आयोटा पर कॉन्जुगेट होना चाहिए. राइट? आर यू गेटिंग इट? ये याद रखने की बोल रहा हूँ सर. और इधर का नंबर कुछ भी हो सकते हो, यू कैन कीप एनी नंबर्स. दिस इज नॉट मैंडेटरी. ओके, next point is what is skew Hermanton matrix. In this what you have, see this one. In this here minus 3 plus 2 iota, what you have here? 3 plus 2 iota. It means real part should get change sign. ये conjugate नहीं बोलते, इसको conjugate नहीं बोलते. This is not conjugate. Are you getting it? Real part should be negative. Means opposite in sign. If you have minus 3, you got plus 3. And you have here minus 1, then you have plus 1. And you have here minus 2, then you have plus 2. In iota, no change. Iota, no change. And but one more thing is here, principal diagonal elements are purely real or zeros. It can be zeros or purely real. Understood? Write down that point. इसमें लिखो सर, Hermanton matrix principal diagonal elements are real. Principal diagonal elements are real. यही important है एग्जाम में, यही important है. Principal diagonal elements are real. Elements are real. This is only important. And here in this case, sir, principal diagonal elements are 0 or purely imaginary. 0 or purely imaginary. This is main point. ना ये point main है, ये पूरा definition important नहीं है. This are the point is most important, previously asked. मैं JEE में नहीं, other exams they asked in other exams. And one more thing is unitary matrix. What is unitary matrix? This is the last one. Last and final. Unitary matrix. A square matrix A is said to be unitary matrix. A power theta into A is equal to I, or A into A power theta is equal to I. This is called as unitary matrix. Means conjugate of what? Conjugate of transpose matrix into matrix is identity matrix. So this is the unitary matrix. So end, over. All the points are covered. So these are the extra points which is not in JEE but it is demands in like BTech, other competitive exams, it maybe have demand. Maybe they may ask these questions in JEE also. We cannot expect, okay, but we have in our book, so we have to learn this. That's it. You have main point is this, right? Bye, take care.